Check out this 2007 Ford F-150. This F-150 has just under 85,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This F-150 boasts a 4.6-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the manual sliding rear window with privacy tint, NA with 57Q rear window defogger, XLT chrome package and the 4.6 LFE engine, standard. Call 775-326-4000 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.